Hi guys, are you guys bored of writing assignments during quarantine? We have come up with a solution for that. Okay, let's give welcome to Clips Corner. Good wishes to everyone. I would like you to support our channel by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to get notified to our videos. Let's do something crazy in this video. It's too crazy this time. Okay, this is the wallpaper. Let's go to Google. Type on Calligrapher. It's a software, online software website. In that, just go in. Okay, go get started for free. And you have to sign in. Just give your mail ID, password, and password confirmation, and submit. You'll get a link to your mail. Then just verify it and just go inside it. It's all the usual steps that we usually used to do. Just signing in because I already have an account, and just give the session. Okay, after signing in, you'll get it like this. Go and create a template. Actually, what we are going to do is we are going to generate a new handwriting font. Okay, because the students find it difficult, right? Okay, I added all the kind of alphabets I needed, and I have just downloaded the template for it. Download it in PNG, so it will be easy for you to take print out. Actually, what we are going to do is we are just going to create a new font, as if all the A to Z and other letters what we require will come in this page, and you have to write it in your own handwriting. How you write A to Z and the alphabets what have been mentioned, you have to write in your own handwriting in this page, in pencil or pen or something. After that, you have to take a snap of it. Similarly, I need a numbers also. I'm just going to add numbers 0 to 9. Download the templates for it in PNG format. You get a sheet like that which have come before, which I got before. Just download it. Okay, actually students find it difficult to write assessments. That too in their handwriting, they usually find it difficult even though they know the answers for writing. So we have made it simple. We can create our own font and write the assessments. So I have downloaded it again. Okay, that is A to Z. Each one have a unique handwriting. So they can give the unique letters for it, and then they can create the font for it. That's how it is. I'll show you how to use it. Okay, this is a place where I had downloaded those two files, and I have I'll go into the file. Yeah, see this? It's a PNG format image like thing. Even though after downloading it, you have to write and upload it in the server. That is the Calligrapher website. Okay. See 0 to 9. Go. And after uploading, this is the copy that after upload. This is my own handwriting. I just written it and I have uploaded it. Okay. It's so simple. I'll show you how to upload it in it and how we can bring it in the format of our LibreOffice or Word or something that we have. Okay. Then go to My Fonts. In My Fonts, go to Upload Templates. Yeah. Give a name to your font. I'll give my font. Let it be our font name. Like Times New Roman, Calibri, like that. Our font name is My Font. Sample. Okay, now upload it. Choose file. Choose a file that A to Z. I have uploaded it after writing in my own handwriting, right? Even if you are not able to write in your own handwriting, write it in a piece of paper and do Photoshop of it and paste that in that screen. And make it a PNG image and then upload. It's so easy. Okay, I have uploaded it. All the A to Z is being processing now. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, I have got all those images. See, this is my own font. Okay, I can preview it. Add character to your point. Okay, then it have been added. Then again upload template, because I have even numbers also, right? I have to upload it also. So uploading my numbers, give any name to it, let it be a JPG file, a PNG file, not JPG, PNG. Okay, all the numbers in my own handwriting. Okay, and this is the thing, there are some kind of option, letter spacing, font size, and word spacing. You know it, that the distance between two letters have to be mentioned, and font size, it should be big or small, that depends upon your handwriting you want, and word spacing, the distance between two words. Okay, that's what I closed it. Okay, let's go on build font. Give build font so that your font will be built now, and this will be the name. You can give most usually give the same name as you have given earlier, my font sample. Okay, okay, then download it in TTF format. For a system it should be in TTF format, so just click it on my font sample dot regular dot TTF. You will get you will download it, just click it and install it. It's enough. This is your own handwriting. Okay, see, this is your own handwriting. Just you have to do is to install it. That's it. It have been it have been added to your font like Times New Roman, Calibri, like other things. Just go and open LibreOffice. If you have Word or WPS or anything have, these are some of the sentence that I had taken for my assessment. I had taken it actually. Okay, just drag some of the sentence or all of it. I'll just drag and show you. Just go to the font, my font. See, I have got a font there. See, that's my handwriting. I dragged everything and gave my font. I got the whole assignment in my handwriting. It's too easy for me, so ridiculous what I can say for it. I don't want to spend hours in writing my assignment now. It's so easy. See, the whole assignment is in my handwriting, but I haven't spent a penny of time in it. I just exported it in PDF. Okay, and the solution I used to say, another one, if you find this process is so tedious, there is another alternative method also. Okay, just view it. I'll just tell you the alternative method now. Okay, if you find this is very tedious, there is an alternative method for it. You all heard of Google Fonts. Different kinds of fonts are available in it. In that, there is an option called handwriting. That's an option in Google Font. In handwriting, see, just I'll click a handwriting. There are n number of manual handwritings available in that font, different sizes. So you don't want to do these much of big work. If you find any of the handwriting just similar to yours, or you want this kind of handwriting to be in your assignment, or any other places where you want to be, just click it and give download family. Just download this, and it's so easy that you have to install it. Install the .ttf file. It opens just like that, how we got it earlier in our own handwriting, right? Just install it. Similar way you can see in your Word or LibreOffice or anything you go, you can see this font over there under what name you have given. And this might be very, very helpful for the students. I hope so. And if you have any comment section, please do give. And if this video is very helpful for you, please do like and share and pass on your comments below. Regards, your wishes. Thank you and see you next.